As part of our monthly bank reconciliation, we match Stripe and Airbnb deposits presented on the deposits page, which are extracted and automatically generated from our Stripe and Airbnb connections, to the bank feed in our bank reconciliation. We start by opening the bank reconciliation page, then clicking the blue Reconcile Items button. The left column shows unmatched bank records. These are transactions from our bank feed, visible on the Bank Feed tab, that have not been reconciled yet. The Suggested Matches column shows deposit and expense amounts already recorded in VRTrust's accounting records, which we can view on the Transactions tab. When there is no suggested match, a transaction must be created in VRTrust's accounting records to match against the bank transaction. Our goal is to make sure all Stripe and Airbnb deposits in the left column, which are unmatched bank records from our bank feed, are matched to the deposit transactions automatically created from the Stripe and Airbnb connections in VRTrust. These should appear as suggested matches in the right column of the bank reconciliation. We start by entering the reconciliation period under Review, then search for all Airbnb deposits. All Airbnb deposits in the Unmatched Bank Records column should be matched to the auto-generated deposits in the Suggested Matches column. To do this, we simply select the Match button, and these transactions will be fully reconciled. We continue matching each Airbnb deposit and then search for and match all Stripe transactions. If a Stripe or Airbnb transaction doesn't have a suggested match, we first check that both connections show a green status checkmark and are connected. If Stripe and Airbnb are connected, please fetch the connection first to pull in missing deposits. To bring missing Airbnb and Stripe transactions into VRTrust, we select the ellipses or three dots next to the connection, then fetch the connection and select all types and choose a previous date range to capture the missing transactions and fetch data. This will pull in any missing Airbnb transactions. We follow the same process for the Stripe connection if we are missing a Stripe deposit from VRTrust to match in the bank feed. After extracting the deposits, we refresh the screen. A yellow status icon means transactions are still being fetched. When fetching is done, a green check mark will appear. When the green check mark is visible and fetching is complete, we go back to the bank reconciliation page to match the remaining Stripe and Airbnb deposits that were missing matches.